Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. Today I'm walking from Ueno back home because I came here to get my body fixed up. Um, for like a few days I was not able to move my neck, which as you can see is not a problem anymore. It's still a bit painful in my back when I do that, but at least my neck is working. And so yeah, I came here. They have this place called the Karada factory. So Karada in Japanese means body, so it's basically called the body factory. And I had a full thing. It's like a chiropractic thing, and I had a full thing, and they actually fixed me up, so I'm feeling brand new right now. So I decided, okay, I'm gonna take advantage of that, and I'm gonna walk from Ueno to home. So I'm going back home now, and this is a different area from what we saw last time, because this is like the museum area. So you have museum all over basically. So I'm gonna show that to you. I'm not gonna go inside, but you're gonna see the buildings at least. So you have like multiple museums. I think you have the Natural History Museum around somewhere, and you have, there was a big whale sculpture before, I'm not sure where it is. So they are having like different exhibitions, and my students actually come here from time to time, and they come back with a pamphlet and say, yeah, one time I saw that. I'm like, cool. So they had recently they had an exhibition about very old Japanese paintings that were actually forgotten by history, but that someone like found and put up. And actually some of them are kind of very famous, so I don't know why they say it's like forgotten by history, but whatever. So maybe that's a technique or something, so I don't know. So they had this expo here for a while. I didn't go see it, my student went. One of my students, three of my students went to see that, like on different time. So it's kind of very popular, but not really my type of thing. But anyway, so I'm just gonna go through the park and walk home. It's gonna take me like almost 2 hours, I guess, maybe a little bit more. So I told you guys they had a whale somewhere. Well, I found it. It is. So this is like the Natural Science Museum or something, and they have these big whales over there. It's big. I don't know if it's like a real size. It's big, but it still looks small for a real size one. Or maybe that's just me being crazy, but yeah. So that's the whales of Ueno Park. I think she's flipping around, like turn. Anyway, so that's it. So I'm gonna keep on walking. I'm supposed to walk over there, and I got myself into, I don't know, some place. Anyway, so